All right, everybody, today Penny is going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to create a bracelet, a woven bracelet. That turned out beautifully. Okay, Penny, what's the first step?
So you start out by getting an old box, like a box like this, or a cereal box. You cut out, you'd either do a tracing with a cup, or you can cut it out with a circle. And then you cut 8 holes.
8 little slices along there?
8 little slices,
Okay.
and 1 slice in the middle. Then you get 7 colors of your choice of strings. I chose rainbow colors. And that little hole in the middle, you get them all together and then you tie a knot. A double knot usually works so it doesn't get through. And then you do this count. 1, 2, 3. Get this yellow one. Put it in the hole and then turn it to the next empty one. And you just keep doing it. And then you see this, it starts making it, and then you pull it down, and then you soon will have a bracelet.
Amazing. So there's always at least one empty slot that you want to move. Which one to the empty slot?
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Put it down here, and then you turn it this way.
Okay, now show us the next step.
This way. And then you just do it all over again.
That one goes there.
And then you can pull it down. And you've got colors.
So let's see, where's the empty one? Let's show one more fun example. So there's the empty one. That means the green one is gonna go there?
No, this one.
Oh, okay, so that purple one goes there. Okay, and then now we have an empty one here.
Turn.
Okay, we turn that. Now the orange one goes there? Yes, oh, I've got it. Okay, that's cool. And now we've got an empty one here. So now the blue one goes there, right? Yes, I think I've got it. Cool, what a fun bracelet. And let's see what the final product is gonna look like. Whoa, that is beautiful. Oh, what an exciting, fun way to make a friendship bracelet. Well done.
Bye.